Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 30th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So we had a really nice move down on the Euro dollar. The only problem is all these moves started very early in the morning, Asian session. So if you're available for that, definitely a really nice push down. I really don't think that this move down is done on the daily or the 4 hour time frame, so I am definitely still very bearish. I got my Fibonacci retracement from here to here. I would be looking for three-way pullbacks, hopefully to Fibonacci levels. Sometimes you don't get the three-way pullback. Sometimes you just get something like this and it just keeps on going down, which is why I definitely do not even like drawing it to the upside like this because people see this and they're like, oh, look, I'm going to go long. He drew it up. Well, that's not what I'm saying. I'm saying that this is what I'd like to see as a three-way pullback to a Fibonacci level, but the trend is very heavily down and I would definitely be looking for shorts every single chance I get. So anyways, don't forget to check out my chart, my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.